Alright guys, it is Sunday, April 29th. We spent about 4 hours out here yesterday. We just hit this with a sander to see what it looked like. Started taking the glass out of the car. Started taking
not to mention the headliner.
The electrical harness out of the trunk. We're going to continue with the electrical harness, taking all the panels off today. We've got about 3 hours worth of video that I have to edit together, so it's not too long for you guys. As you can tell just from this intro, I'm long-winded, so that's going to be hard to do. So, it means I talk too much.
Yeah, you do.
This video is going to be a little bit different than the ones in the past. I didn't have a lot of time. I only had about an hour of working time to do anything with the car, so I didn't stop and take as many short video clips. My in-laws were coming over to take me out to dinner for my birthday, so we just wanted to try and get as much done as we could before they got there. You know, with all that being said, there are some little clips in here, so please stay tuned for those.
Lights, trunk, rear valance off. When I took the rear valance off, I see this bracket here. It's actually not really attached to anything, but I'm not 100% sure. This side didn't have it. From the previous videos, you can see that there was this hole, and it was just never plugged. And also that rear support piece that I kept saying that needs to be replaced, it definitely needs to be replaced. It's rusted all the way through. And you can see where they were kind of bending it out in all this crappy body work they did to bend this panel out. So I'm definitely going to get a new taillight panel, get a new rear support. Looking at his frame rail right now, see what my thoughts are, but I think I'm going to have to get the other material off first. But made a little bit of progress this weekend, and if we have the time, we'll do more. But if anybody can tell me what this bracket is here, and if I need it, because I don't have one on this side, just let me know. Thanks.
And with that, the in-laws showed up. We showed them around the car a little bit, showed off our work, and then had to get ready for dinner.